This is how to make an animation or a mini movie of your SketchUp file. You can do this for any SketchUp file that you make, and you essentially are making different scenes and connecting them together. So you get to a place that you want, so you orbit and zoom so you get a good view. If you want to change the style, you can. If you want to mess with that, totally up to you. They have a whole bunch of different styles you can pick from, and you can just pick the one that you like the best, which has the best effect. And you can explore all these different ones. And you can change the style in between scenes. So if you want a certain style for one of your scenes, but we want to change it back, you can always do that. It's totally up to you. So let's start it off with this view. And I'm going to go to View, Animation, Add Scene. I've now added a scene, so I can close this back up, and it pops up right here under my Scenes tab. So now I'm going to change the style, and I'm going to go to my plane view, my architectural design view. I'm going to close that back up. Now I'm going to take a tour around my SketchUp model. So I'm going to start maybe over here. I'm just going to zoom in and orient the camera so that I get a good view. And once I get that, I'm just going to click the plus sign. And that's going to add another scene here and up here. So as you can tell, you click on the scenes and it takes you through your model. And now you just keep going. So now I'm going to go maybe over here, add another scene, click plus sign, maybe go up this. Add another plus sign, maybe go down this. And there's lots of different ways to move around. And whatever way works best for you works for me. Maybe go up here. Another plus sign. And you just keep doing that throughout your whole entire model. So you can go look at everything. So go look over here, check out this part of the skate park. Maybe go around, check out over here. Plus sign. Go up a little bit. Plus sign. Maybe zoom it out. Totally up to you how you want to do it. And let's see what we got so far. So I'm gonna just go through and start at scene 1. Notice I changed the styling. Again, you can change the styling to whatever you want. Scene 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And you can keep adding more and more scenes, as many as you want. When you're done, you're going to go to View, Animation, and just kidding, we want to go to File and Export it because we want to make it into a video. So go to Export, Animation, Video. And again, we're going to save it. So video, export.
Charles Jordan, please report to the back gate. Again, Charles Jordan, please report to the back gate.
And this will take a little while, but when it's done, it's totally worth it. And when it's done, you got to go find it. So I think mine was in download. Maybe not. Maybe, there we go. So mine was in documents. And now you have your own custom video about your SketchUp model. And you can share this anywhere. You can share it on your YouTube channel. You can share it anywhere that has the ability to post links. And that is how you make your animation of your SketchUp model.